It kind of went longer than would I expected. But to let you know, I'm not a president. Oh, there's my head. TWF! I'm coming for you, nigga! That's right. Make fun of me all you want. I am the man. And I tell you what, if I see you in the streets, I'm gonna take you out. Make fun of me in just a Honda? You fucking piece of shit. And the man. You see this? Means I'm the champ. See? Hey there. I'm the man. I'm the man. You see, I'm the best. I am. Me. Me.